he just presses the fucking button and it starts. Push start on the wheel.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, my cruise control.
The smoke though.
Yeah, it's a B-21. Of course it's going to be.
That's long.
Yeah.
Crawl on under there, put that shit on with your fancy shirt.
Yeah.
It blew right the fuck off. It blew right off.
I don't think the zip tie's very tight. The exhaust is not a actual circle because of when the muffler broke off, merging onto the 101.
Bet the pipe.
Did it fly off? Yeah, fucking the hanger broke and the muffler was bouncing back and forth. So we pinched it and I was getting too much back pressure and the car was running like shit. I had to break it off.
It's still on there. It blew a little hole though.
Careful.
Just don't rev it too hard. Just give it like maybe a little bit.
Doesn't even change.
No. Hold up, just give it like a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh. Do that again. Kill it.
2 hours later.
So I guess let's go.
So these are my new shiny wheels, and I'm down here at Coyote Wheel and Tire to get my